Okay, today we throw rocks at Beehive Part 2.
Yes, this is so lame.
Stupid kids throw rocks at Beehive Part 2.
I wasn't here. I just moved here a couple weeks ago.
Yeah, she just moved here because she ugly.
Wow.
Dude.
Stupid.
Dude. I know you're stupid.
Stupid.
I know you're stupid. No. That's what you get. You got hit by a rock.
Throw it again. No, I didn't throw it at all. I'm scared.
I'm gonna hit it with the bat. I'm gonna hit it with the bat. I saw a bee come out. No, I saw a bee come out.
I literally saw a bee come.
I saw a couple bees come out.
Same. You're like my dude. We're out. We out. Nah, let's get back inside the garage. It's too hot out here. Too hot. It's too hot. Let's go in the garage.
Nah, get the baseball bat.
Oh,
Get the baseball bat. No, the bees still there. The bees are still there. The bees are still there. It stung you? I know, I saw a bunch of them on your hair. No.
They real mad. They're mad.
You almost ran into the camera.
They're like my dude. They're mad. They're like, what's up? We want. We should go back in the garage. It's hot.
The bees though. The amount of bees that went on your hair.
Rub it on.
Imagine one day somebody throws a bat at it, it falls, and then everybody gets stung.
And they're like,
I'm gonna be like, you can handle
they're
it.
like, what
I'm
you
out.
want, my dude? What you want?
I'll be like this. I'll be like, oh, I want to hit the beehive. Wait, Braulio, me. You missed. Get it. Oh no. You did not hit it.
Let's go get some rocks.
Let's go get some rocks. What was that? Let's go get some rocks. Oh my God, there's dirt over here.
I know.
Look how much people be digging.
Ow!
I threw a rock on Braulio's head.
Well, I got your pack of rocks that you ordered.
No, go away. Go away.
Nah, I ain't going away.
The bee in your hair. No, there's bees here. There's still bees here. I bet you we're on their most wanted list now.
My dude. Throw this at them. Throw it. They're gonna be like, what you have to do? They're gonna be so freaking mad.
Not even kidding. We throw so much stuff at them. They're gonna be on their most wanted list.
They're gonna be like, a bat in their butt.
Oh, they sting me in the butt.
They're gonna be stinging you in the butt.
No! There's a bee after you. Where?
I know. What's the throw? No. Toy.
Yeah.
Throw the bulldozer toy at it.
Royal. And there's my dad. Hey, Dad, we're recording a YouTube video. Yeah.
Dumb kid.
And stupid kids throwing stuff at beehive.
So he's pretty much calling me stupid. But especially me, because I'm the most stupidest.
No, I'm stupider than I did.
Bro, we're at the most wanted list on the bees.
Not even kidding. I literally just said earlier. By the time we're done throwing stuff at the beehive, we're gonna be on the most wanted
No,
list.
those rocks. Put them back in there.
Okay. Oh, rocks. Go
We're
inside.
using-
I told you to do that earlier.
Yeah, we were all.
But then you quit.
Yeah, I quit my job. And now we're going to throw a whole bunch of rocks at the bees because they want to be mean. Yeah. You could call me C if you want. You could call me CC. You could call
Call me your brother. Call me your brother. Because I am your brother. Throw the freaking Minnie Mouse at the beehive. Now.
No.
I will cannonball into you if you don't.
How about I throw Donkey Kong?
No.
Come on, guys, come on. How about I throw Glitch Donkey
There's Minnie Mouse there for a reason. Come on, let's go.
How stupid is it gonna throw this?
Throw it.
I'm done.
No, not the hammer. Not the hammer.
I'm done. I'm done.
I'm making a YouTube video. I'm gonna call it "Stupid Kids Throwing Stuff at Beehive." Wait.
Throw this hammer. I can throw this.
Do not throw the hammer. Like I said, do not throw the hammer.
This.
Give me the freaking hammer. I'm literally recording nothing. All y'all guys are probably bored. Sorry. Keep it in there. Throw the Minnie Mouse.
Oh, I hit it right in their door.
Throw the freaking Minnie Mouse.
Okay.
So they have a new toy to play with. You missed. You missed and the bees are already outside. You missed for the second time. No. No, it's not. I'm gonna put that back in there.
See?
Oh. You suck.
Why are we sucking at doing our own job? We suck at our own job.
Gimme, I'm good at aiming. I'm good at aiming. Gimme. No, everybody put everything back except for the bat. I'm gonna throw the bat at it.
I'm gonna throw this. I'm a stupid guy.
Stupid Minnie Mouse. You did not even.
I'm gonna throw this Minnie Mouse.
Yeah, I'm about to tell this video. Stupid kids try to throw stuff at it, but it's sad because they can't.
But the bees just stinged one. The stupid. Nah, the bees went on my hand, but it didn't sting me. I was like,
got some.
bro, it literally sting me.
It's the same. See?
It didn't sting me at all.
Literally sting right there. They stung me, but it doesn't.
Let's go get the rest of the stuff. Come on, guys.
Okay, we're gonna keep throwing things, but I'm bet you guys are bored, so yeah. Goodbye.